Welcome to this short video on how to do bank reconciliations. This is a tutorial on tan photography, which is on slide 28. If you go through this with me, hopefully this will help you understand a bit more about bank recs. First thing I'd like you to do is find this figure here and just change it. It's an error. It should be 421. Brill. So the idea of this is we've got a cash receipts journal, cash payments journal, bank statement, bank account, and reconciliation. We're going to do the lot. First thing we're going to do is the cash receipts journal, money coming into the business. We've got to check that it meets the same as what the bank think we've got. So we're going to go and just complete the bank account first. So I'd like you to type equals and add up the two FPOS, because during the day, that amount of money there, those two, is going to be transferred to the bank. I'm going to see if it is, highlight them both, control, and then just mark off. We only got one lot of money through the till, and that hopefully will have made the bank as well. So we'll mark that off. Two FPOS sales, or receipts I should say. So mark those two off, add them together first, and hopefully that makes the bank, which it does. Just one amount coming through the cash register tape, and you can see that's made the bank as well. Highlight those. Again, two FPOS. And that's made the bank. And there's just one cash register tape, and that hasn't made the bank, so we won't highlight that off. All right, once you finish that, we're going to go down to the cash payments journal. Cash payments journal of money being paid, and again, if they've been paid, they should also be in the bank statement. So we'll mark them off. 295.75. Hold the control key down. 11. That figure's there. Just pause for a second. And we're going to highlight these ones as well. The 400. I'll just hold the control key down. Makes it much faster. To that one. Moving down 176. Well, that's not there. 1,200. I can't see that. 242. And so all of those are in both. Now this figure here is check 293. See, check 293 is a different figure. So it looks like we've made a mistake when we're putting it in. So I'll get you to change this figure, 167.45. Same check, it just means that the wrong figure's gone to the bank. Because it's under, it means it's probably a mistake. Right, so we've yellowed out all of those and all of these. You see in the bank statement there are some things that are here, they're not in our journal, so we need to update our journals. So we'll do this 4,000 first. It's money coming in, so it goes in the cash receipts journal, and it's from loan. BS for bank statement, and it goes straight into the bank account, not through the till. And there's no GST on it either, so I may as well put it here. Once we've got that, we'll total up the rest of the bank account, just auto sum. And now I've done there, and it's there, so they're yellow as well. Down to the cash payments, we've got two. This one's the 24th, it's the 25th, so we'll do the 24th first. And that's our purchases. We know it's purchases because it's picked supplies, and we're a photography company. That was used direct debit, was it? And the figure. And then lastly, on the 25th, it was the bank fees. Information came from the bank statement. This one here, you could have put bank statement on it as well. But those two we have, so we'll highlight them in yellow. Now everything's ticked off from the bank statement, which is good. Down here in the cash payments journal, we'll just auto sum that as well. Alright, so we've got all the figures we need. The bank account dates are a little bit wrong, so we'll fix that up. 24th of the 2nd, and our opening balance is that figure. I'm going to write it as a positive figure, so it equals negative E20, and make it a credit. Credit means it's a liability, which is the same as a negative. For the receipts, 28th of February, we put that in our debit column because it's going to increase bank account. So we've got negative and a positive. The easiest way to do that is to change it around a little bit, just a positive minus that one. So if we've got minus 1,220, we add 14,000, it gives us a positive debit, meaning it's an asset, rather than credit, meaning liability negative. For the payments, where do you think our total payments come from? That's right, down here. So the money in the bank minus our total money paid. It's still got positive because we haven't gone into negative here, so it's still debit. And so our bank account is $701.10. That's what we're reconciling to. I'm going to make that red to make sure I know that I'm trying to balance to that. Balance as per statement. According to our bank statement, which is this one here, we have $1,131. According to our bank account, we've got 701. So there's a difference, so we have to find out why. Firstly, our deposit's not yet credited. Go to cash receipts journal, and remember that's our money in the till that hasn't made the bank yet. And I'll just add those two together. Clue for the next part is it says less. So we're going to do a subtraction. And you see this purchases figure here. Check 295. We've paid for it, but our supplier hasn't taken it to the bank yet. So it should actually come off because we shouldn't actually have it in our account. So we've got equals what we've got there minus unpresented checks, 701.10. Make that red. See that it's balanced. Stand up, do a victory dance. Brilliant.